In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up taxes and duties in Shopify. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that your online store is compliant and ready to handle tax collection efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just getting started, setting up taxes correctly is crucial for running a professional and legally compliant business. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify store's admin page. This is your home base where you can manage and track everything related to your store. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features. Once you're at your store's homepage, look for the menu options on the left side. Here, you will find a variety of tools at your disposal. Now, let's focus on the task at hand, setting up tax collection. On the left-hand side, you'll find the Finance section. Click on it to reveal more options related to your store's monetary settings. Keep in mind that taxes can vary greatly depending on the location and the type of products you're selling, so it's important to get the details right. Within the Finance section, there will be an option called Set up Tax Collection. Click on this to begin the setup process. This feature allows you to configure how your store will handle taxes, making sure that everything is automatic and accurate. When setting up your tax rules, you'll be prompted to enter specific information based on the geographical areas where you plan to sell your products. Shopify is equipped to support tax regulations for a variety of jurisdictions, so you'll want to ensure you correctly input all the relevant data. This can include setting up different tax rates for different regions or specifying whether you're collecting sales tax and duties based on your physical or economic presence. Another important aspect to consider is whether you want to add taxes on top of the prices you display or include them within the prices. Each approach has its own advantages depending on your marketing strategy and customer base. Once you've configured the necessary settings, make sure to save your progress. Double-check all the information to prevent any issues during checkout. It's always a good idea to review the tax settings every few months or whenever there's a significant change in your business model or tax laws. That's it for setting up taxes and duties in Shopify. By following these steps, you've ensured that your store is tax compliant and your customers experience a seamless checkout process. Remember, keeping your store's financial settings up to date is an essential part of successful e-commerce management. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and insights on managing your Shopify store efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy selling.